Hello and welcome to week 2 of Handpanuary. This week we are testing our right and left coordination. Today I want to introduce a little paradiddle challenge that was taught to me by Martin Doyle, who is a taiko player from Scotland and a friend of mine. He came up with this on 2 separate drums and then I've adapted it for 2 separate notes on the handpan. And it looks like this. It's the 3 against 2 polyrhythms. If you don't know that already, I recommend learning that first. But just to very quickly go over what that looks like, it is this. So what I'm doing is I'm playing 3 beats with my right hand and 2 beats with my left hand within the same space of time. If you don't know how to do this already, I'll link a video down below that breaks it up in really little details so you can slowly figure that out. And I teach you a bunch of different ways to think about it as well, to really get it set in your brain and your body. But the cheat code for this is nice cup of tea, nice cup of tea, nice cup of tea, nice cup. So my left hand is playing nice, off, nice, off, nice cup of tea, nice cup of tea, nice cup of tea, nice. And my right hand is playing nice cup tea, nice cup tea, nice cup tea, nice cup tea. So all together it is together, right, left, right, 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 together, right, left, right. And there are so many cool ways that you can use this polyrhythm to create a bunch of different challenges, simply just by moving. So I definitely recommend that you spend some time playing around with that polyrhythm and testing the boundaries and figuring out new stuff and trying to do something that nobody else has ever done before with that. But for the purposes of today's video, I'm going to teach you this little challenge by Martin. And it looks like this. So what I'm going to do is my left hand will stay in the center. So I'm playing here kind of on the edge of the shoulder of the ding. My right hand, however, is going to start here on the note directly to the right of it, and then it's just going to move between the shoulder of the ding and the right hand note, just like this, one after the other continuously. Now the interesting thing about this is that because this hand is playing in a count of 3, it ends up switching which note actually starts at the beginning of the phrase. So the first phrase, nice cup of tea. See where this is going? And then the second phrase, nice cup of tea, starts in the center. So if we start open like this, and then we've got cup here, then we've got of the left hand, tea with the right hand. Again, nice cup of tea. Again, nice cup of tea. Again, nice cup of tea. One more, nice cup of tea. So that's the first time that we play nice cup of tea. The second time that we play nice cup of tea, because we're playing these one after the other, actually leads with both hands in the middle. So we've got nice and then cup of tea. Again, nice cup of tea. See where this is going? So if I put those 2 together, then we have nice cup of tea, nice cup of tea. Right? If I sing where this right hand is going, nice cup of tea, 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 nice cup of tea. And there you have it. And then you can do the same again with the left hand. The left hand will actually be much easier because the left hand is playing in 2 and moving in 2. Pretty simple. Right, so you've got nice cup of tea, nice cup of tea, nice cup of tea, nice. So it always looks looks the same. So I invite you to practice both variations of that, and there are a couple more ways that we can make that even more challenging. The first is to move both of those hands and have all of that happening, which I haven't actually tried before. That's just kind of come into my mind right now as I'm recording. So let's see if I can do that. So we start completely open, which will clash, and then both will come into the middle, both will come out. And, well, I don't actually know because I haven't tried it. Let's see how this goes. There you go. We could probably choose two nicer notes to do this with. So I'm going to choose actually note 1, and so instead of moving sideways, I'm going to move up and down, and then with this hand I'll move sideways. So now we've got a different level of coordination happening. Not only are we moving each hand in and out, also counting in a polyrhythm, 2 different rhythms happening at the same time, we're also moving in 2 different directions at different times. So there's a lot going on. Let's see if we can do it. Ready? Nice cup of tea, 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 nice cup of tea. Maybe we can move this around. Nice cup of tea, 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 oh, nice cup of tea, 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 nice, yeah. A little bit of a scramble, but you can see that you can actually start to create some really interesting melodies from doing that. So I invite you to take the idea and see if you can explore moving that around. That really is kind of next level. But the beginner level of that is just really getting to know that polyrhythm and be able to move it around. So that's moving it for 1 strike, but you can also move in 2s, right? So instead of staying for 1 and moving, staying for 2 strikes and then moving, right? So nice cup of tea, nice cup of tea, nice cup of tea, nice cup of tea. Bit more tricky. So now I'm counting in, sorry, that's disgusting. So now I'm counting in 3 with my right hand. I'm thinking about moving between 2 notes, but I'm also actually kind of relating that to a count of 4 because I'm spending 2 strikes here and 2 strikes here, all while that shifts as it lands in a different place within that 3-beat count. So again, loads of crazy stuff happening there. And then you can move that around. One hand is moving in 2 and staying on the note 2 times. What if one hand is staying on the note 1 time? So what if this hand is doing this and this hand is doing this? I'm literally just making this up as I go along, and I'm having ideas as I film this, and I'm very excited. Don't know if I can do it, but let's see. This is all about the challenge, right? So well, and then I started to try and find melodies, and it all started to go downhill a little bit there. Anyway, take that, see what you can make with it. Tag me in your videos, hashtag handpanuary. I want to see what you can create with this cool polyrhythm game and challenge. And I actually have another level of this that I didn't have time to share in this video. But maybe, who knows, maybe at the weekend they could share a bonus video. Or yeah, later on in the month, we'll see. I'll hang on to that. But yeah, besides that, enjoy, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.